kept pressing. Valverde had like 3 or 4 shots, and as soon as the ball was cleared out, Madrid was back again at it, trying to press Levante. No clear-cut chances.
Sometimes it can work against your radar, really. Okay. That is Premier League appearance.
Championship